My name is Froukje Kruijssen. I work for WorldFish in Penang, Malaysia. WorldFish is an international research center and we work on all sorts of issues related to agriculture and fisheries, especially for poverty reduction and food security. So in the SEED project, WorldFish is leading Work Package 5, which relates to the economic and social issues in agriculture value chains from the Asian countries into the EU. We've been looking into what the value chain looks like, who are the main actors in the chain, what type of products flow through these market channels and how do they get to consumers' plates in the European Union. And on the other hand, we've looked at the social and economic implications for participants in the value chain. So that includes farmers as well as processors as well as input suppliers. So one of the main issues that we found when we looked at the framework within which the value chains operate in Asia is that a supportive policy structure or supportive institutional framework is very important for how the value chain operates and the types of products it can produce. So basically, in countries where the policy framework is more supportive, it's easier for farmers to produce a high quality product that meets the standards that European consumers expect. And that can meet the different types of traceability requirements that are set by the European Union. So that means that those farmers operating in those environments can take better advantage of higher value products. Processors can deliver different types of products and have more incentives to invest in their businesses than in those countries where that policy framework is not available. And what happens is then that has a big impact on reputation of the product coming from certain countries. For European consumers. So other issues that we've been looking into are the social impacts on people, what does it mean in terms of employment, and of course there are many stories about poor conditions in processing and poor conditions of people working in farming, and we've been trying to look into that as much as possible. While those stories may be confirmed in some cases, it's definitely not true everywhere, and what should also not be forgotten is the level of employment that the sector provides for people in Asia. And as a European consumer, that's, I think, comforting, because what you find on your plate, you hope, is not causing any harm to people in Asia.